In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files in Google Drive efficiently. This quick and straightforward tutorial is perfect for those who want to keep their Google Drive organized and clutter-free. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Google Drive website. Once you're there, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account that holds the files you want to manage. You can quickly check this by looking at the profile icon in the top right corner. If it's incorrect, simply click and sign into the right account. You should now be in your Google Drive home screen, where you'll see a list of all your files and folders. If you're having trouble locating a specific file, you can use the handy search bar at the top of the screen. Just type in the file name or any keywords associated with it, and it should pop up in the search results almost instantly. Once you've found the file you want to delete, click on it to select. You'll notice that when a file is selected, it gets highlighted and a set of new option icons appear at the top toolbar. Look for the trash can icon, which is universally recognized as the delete option. Give it a click, and this will move your file to the trash. It's important to note that moving a file to the trash doesn't immediately delete it. It essentially puts the file in a holding area, giving you a chance to recover it if it was deleted by accident. If you're dealing with multiple files, you can select them all at once by holding down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac and clicking each file. Once all your desired files are selected, follow the same process by clicking the trash can icon to send all selected files to the trash simultaneously. This is a great time saver if you're clearing out a lot of files at once.